Hi everyone, so today we have a vacuum section phone holder. This is the first time I have ordered this kind of mobile holder. So let's open this, how it looks like. It's a Chinese product. These are some instructions are written over here. Okay, it's all on Chinese. Vacuum section phone holder, alloy material. Let's open this. Okay, there's a charger also inside the box. I think we need to charge this device to make it more suction. So okay, so this is the suction and this is the magnetic. Okay, and here we are with the cable, type C cable. We got one type C cable, it's a cover, and an additional ring. Okay, this ring will be used behind your mobile cover or on your back of the mobile. Okay, this is a wet wipes. Okay, so let me show you how we gonna attach this mobile with the device. Okay, so it is attached here. It is magnetic, so I don't know what is this about. We'll check this also. Okay, very good. Did you see that? Okay, so it will attach with the surface and then it will stuck with it. Okay, for example, I will show you with the screen. I have one screen over here. Here is the screen. So now it's not attaching it. So let me press this button. So if you observe that it is connected with the screen. Wow. And you can connect your mobile with it. See? So yeah, those who don't have the rings behind the cover, you can install this ring. With this section can be used with anywhere on the glass, on the wall, and you can record your videos or you can fix your mobile anywhere. It's a good option. The built-in quality is good. It's type C charger over here. And this is the device. Okay, so we need to charge this also. It's a good option. Nice, I like it.